Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel Miss Tech. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content like this. In this video, I will show you how to reset your Windows 10 forgotten password without losing data. Look at the accessibility icon at the bottom right-hand corner. The goal here is to convert this accessibility menu into the command prompt. To do this, press and hold the Shift key and click Restart under the power icon. Once your system restarts into the Advanced option, navigate from Troubleshoot to Advanced option, then to Command Prompt. Type C:. CD Windows, CD System 32, renudelman.exe space udelman1.exe, rincmd.exe space udelman.exe. Exit. After doing, click Continue to restart your system. After the login screen, you click on Accessibility icon again. It will this time open a command prompt. Type Control User Passwords 2 and press Enter. And which opens the user password page. In this window, select your username and click on Reset Password. Enter your new password. Click OK. Exit. After setting your new password, you will be able to log into your desktop directly. Finally, after doing this, you need to revert the action so that the accessibility icon again open the accessibility menu and not the command prompt. To do this, press and hold Shift key and click Restart under the power icon. Once your system restarts into the Advanced option, navigate from Troubleshoot to Advanced option, then to Command Prompt. Type C:. CD Windows, CD System 32, renudelman.exe space cmd.exe, renudelman1.exe space udelman.exe. Then press Enter. Exit. Then click Continue to restart your system. And here it's done. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. See you next time.